Hi, this is Sheila Cohoon. I just wanted to take a moment and show you a quick tutorial on how to begin the use of WeVideo. So you are going to have this area up here as your library, okay? So you can import your clips, your video clips, by clicking Browse to select, or you can grab your clips from anywhere here, like your Facebook, Instagram, things like that. Okay. But again, you can upload it just using your computer. If they're just stored on your computer somewhere, you can do it that way. So you'll upload them into this library, and that's where all your clips will be located. And then what you can do is for your clips that you want in order to make your entire video, you are going to add those into the storyboard. So we're going to come down here, we're going to click on this house, and we're going to put that in here. We have this video in the beginning here that we put in there, and then we have a static image. And then we're going to throw in another, let's throw in this video behind it. I'm just making just a simple type of thing for you, just to give you an idea. I'm going to throw in the subscribe button in the very beginning, okay? Now with your green screen items, you're going to always put them on the video 2, okay? Or video 3, video 4, but usually if you're working with 2 lines of video, the green screen is going to go on the line above the video. Okay, so the video clips that you have down here, it's going to go above that. Now, let's say you have video 1, video 2, and then video 3. Well, then you would put green screen on video 3, and then you would have another video clip on video 2 and video 1. But we'll tackle that in another video. So for now, just click, hold, and drag your items down to the storyboard, okay? And then obviously your green screen is going to be here. Now, in order to get your green screen item, which is your YouTube circle, the subscribe and the bell, in order to get that to show up on your video without the green screen background, I'm going to show you what to do. If we were to just leave it like this, it's just going to come up as a video just like that, right? It's going to come up as a video just like you see. Well, we want the green screen out because we only want to see the subscribe button. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this video, on the green screen video, and then we're going to double click. Now we're going to click once to select it and then double click to get the options. So we're going to click the dropper. So if you land, when you come into this, if you land on something like this, what you have to do is you have to come over here to the color keying. Okay, once you're on the color keying, you can click on this dropper, come over to your green screen, and click your green screen. What that will do is that will automatically put in your green screen color in here, which will allow that video of what's in the green screen video to show up as a transparency. Okay, so we're going to click Save Changes. Now keep in mind, if you had a blue background, solid blue background, you could do the same thing as well. So if we let this play out now, I'm going to turn down the volume so you can hear me on this. Actually, turn off the volume. So if you let this play out right now, you'll see that the subscribe will come up right on top of the video now without the green screen. Okay, so now you see how you can put your clips into WeVideo. You saw how we bring them down to the storyboard to begin making our entire video. And then I showed you how to do the green screen and how to get rid of the green screen background. So I'm going to reach out and do another video soon. So keep an eye on that in the future. So I will try and get it to link up somewhere in here for this video. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you so much for checking in, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.